Hello, I am Jussi Valtanen from Viihdy Turku Oy. We have this amazing opportunity just for you. We are going to build a 200 customer floating terrace into the Aura River. It is a unique opportunity. There is no concept like this in the Turku region. There is Blue Ocean strategy for you. Because of the unique concept, there is very little competition. The river boats and the riverside terraces cannot offer as much outdoor room on the river for the customers. The terrace is easy and cheap to build, and if needed, easy to renovate. It is easy to relocate if needed. The running costs are really low, so on a hot nice summer, the money invested can be made back in a few months. The key point is to make the terrace easy to establish. Only mild alcoholic drinks and small snacks are sold, so no special permits are needed. So how about a nominal investment of 200,000 euros?